Okay, so the first couple of videos I'm going to have to disassemble the rear hub, take the wheel off, sprockets off, shock off. I want to send off this this swing arm off for vapor blasting to make it look nice and new. There's some damage there, not a lot. There's a couple of things worrying me here from the start. Firstly is this, not great, so I don't know what's going on there. The other thing is this this is actually loose, so I'm not sure if it's even complete, so I won't know until I take it apart. So initially I'm going to take off all the auxiliaries, everything around it, and see if I can free up the hub. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to see what shape it is. I'm not expecting it to be in good shape. I don't think it's available from Honda anymore, so it might have to be sourced either from somewhere else. See what I can do. But yeah, look, let's take it apart and let's see how we get on. Right, so it's a size 8 and a size 17 on the back. Sprocket is actually good. What you're looking out for in the sprocket is if these are either bent or they're really sharp at the top. You'll know that they've been abused, but this one is actually really good. And it's 49 teeth all the way around. So okay, so that's good. That can be saved. Like I said, I'm not happy that this is opened up. It means someone's been at this already. Now, this is what I'm talking about. So this here should have lovely teeth all the way around, and you should be able to put a spanner around it and adjust this. Like I said, it's egg shaped, as you can see. This is not good. It's destroyed. Okay, not good. I'll take the wheel off at the other end and have a look, and I'll open this bad boy up as well. Okay, take the wheel off. There's supposed to be a little stopper there, but that's out of it. Size 27, if you were wondering what it was. Oh my gosh. And just be careful you don't damage the disc. This disc actually isn't too bad. It's not new, but it's not terrible. So I'll try and save it. So make sure you don't damage it. Okay, next I'm going to remove the caliper. Looks like all the pads have been already removed off it. Yeah. Oh gosh. Not much left of this. Okay. Next I'm going to remove the disc. This one. the whole unit. This will come out now. There's the disc. There's the hub. Okay, grand. I'll clean this up. Broken. Let's have a look inside there. Okay. So let's take out this bearing. Now, as you can see, this bearing is gone, so that'll have to be replaced. This bearing is okay. There's the notches. And there's not much you can do about that. It's absolutely destroyed. So actually, I'll need a whole new section. Okay. Anyway, if you're wondering what it looks like, that's what it looks like. And then this, very hard to see inside. But there is actually a spline that this is supposed to go into. It's actually alright, just that it wasn't tight. That's the only reason. I'll show you now. No. Okay. So I'll clean this up as well. I'll put that in the blasting cabinet. I'll clean that up as well. So it'll be like new. So really just this. That's what I need. And some bearings. So the last thing left is the shock. And that looks like it's destroyed as well. Because if you look at the shock, it shouldn't be like that. So there's a bushing gone at the bottom of the shock, so that's gone as well. So there's more things broken here than there's good ones. So not a good start. Okay, so I'm about to remove this rear shock. It's only held on by a single bolt. It seems to be pretty tight in there. I tried to go at it with an impact driver, but it seems to be rounding off a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up this side of it and that side of it as well, and see if I can, get it off. So let's see. Hopefully that's enough. Ooh. No, it's not. Ooh. It's well stuck in there. Bit more heat. Woo! That's not working either. No. Okay, so this the swing arm is getting the better of me now. I tried heating it. I actually heated it for a long time to get it really red hot, and I tried the impact driver. It just isn't going to budge. It seems to have fused with the aluminium. It happens with cars as well. If you ever see, if you take off all the nuts and the wheel is still stuck, it's the same principle, same thing that's happening here. My options really are limited. I can drill this out, and I can see that someone was already trying to do something with this bolt. So I can drill this out and hope that I can extract that last bit. My other option is to try and weld something to it, but it's very tight to weld anything in there. I could drill it out and tap it with a bigger bolt, so go bigger on this with a longer bolt. That might work. Not a great fan because this is suspension, so you don't want something like this collapsing. But the bigger issue is that there's too many things missing off this swing arm. There's a clip missing here. There's a bearing damaged. This whole eccentric bearing that's damaged. It's destroyed. So I thought about this last night, and to solve this problem, I got a new swing arm. I got a new swing arm that doesn't have these issues. I'll just show you now. So not only did I get a swing arm, I got a whole bike. This is a donor bike. Engine went in it. So yeah. So I got this instead. The eccentric bearing is good on this one. So I'm going to use this one instead of the original one, because I found a lot of things missing on the original bike. So even though it was nicely boxed up, nicely labelled, when I actually went through the boxes, now it took me a long time to go through them, I found a lot of stuff missing. So I'm going to abandon that one. I might drill it out later and see if I can do it, if I can save the swing arm. But for the moment I'm going to abandon it, and I'm going to actually concentrate on that one instead. So the plan has changed a little bit, but the project keeps going. So that's it for my first video. And as you can see, I started cleaning up parts already. So they're I've blasted these few things. So yeah, so I can start replacing things afterwards. So yeah, so stick around, and we get this bike sorted.